today's vlog, I'll be doing a quick review of this parcel of mine. In-order kasi akong hair dryer from Gaabor. Let's unbox this first. This is Gaabor hair dryer. I bought this for only 300 plus ganun. So, what's in the box? Open. A nozzle. A manual. And the hair dryer itself. Pick. Pop, 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 it, pop, it, pop, it. Pop, 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 pop. Mamaya naman. Ooh, very aesthetic. It is color white with rose gold ba to? Let's remove this. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Ganito pala siya. Look. Di ba kita yung ito? Basta with dito na makikita yung label niya. Basta, yan na. You read na lang the manual, okay? Okay. Let's plug this first. Oh, I need an adapter. Wait, let's look for adapter first. Ayan, I got na my adapter. I thought may libre siyang ganito. Wala pala. Anyways, I'll plug it first na, ha? So now, we will try kung worth it ba siyang bilhin. We will try it without the nozzle. First up. Bale, warm siya. Kumbaga sa tubig pa, maligam-gam lang siya. Try natin sa pangalawa. 1, 2. Mahina siya. Mahina lang yung buga niya, pero mainit. How about the third? 1, 2, 3. Ayun. Sa third one, sa panghuli, napakainit niya na besh. So, if I were you, I recommend to use the warm only. Itong yung first up. Kasi, pag sa third ka, siguro you can use it. Yung pangatlong level. If basang-basa yung buhok mo. Pero if you're gonna blow your hair, dapat malayo para hindi ma-damage yung hair mo. Like, di naman dami. Pero, I didn't still use my this one. I didn't still use this. Although, I just try it in my palm. But then, yung init niya kasi sa third, sobra. As in, parang maluluto ka, besh. Maluluto yung buhok mo dun, besh. Ayun. So, I'll just recommend this number 1 lang para sa akin. Number 1. But if you prefer yung pinakamalakas na mainit siya, so you just go with. By the way, I'm not professional pagdating sa mga ganito. But then, para sa akin kasi, if you love your hair, huwag mo naman siya painitin ng sobra para iwas tayo sa damage. So that's why I recommend na gamitin lang natin yung number 1. Since yung number 1 okay naman din, hindi siya mainit, hindi rin siya ganun kalamig. As in, okay na. Paano ba ito pinapasok? So, try natin may nozzle. Ayan. Uy. Aray. Hindi ka marunong, girl. Ayun. How about this nozzle? The nozzle can rotate 360 degrees. So let's try though. Let's try to my hair. One only. Ow! Wala kasi kung suklay-suklay, girl. Ayan. But as you can see, ganda naman din pala siya. Bruha lang, girl. Ayan. Dry na kasi yung hair. Maganda siguro pagbasa talaga yung hair ko. But as I can see naman, maganda yung effect niya. Yeah. So, I'll give you my final verdict. Ayun nga. So, ang masasabi ko lang is, for the price itself, 300 plus, worth it na rin siya, kahit papaano. Kasi, look, very promising now. Yung ano niya, yung kulay niya is, ang ganda. Para sa akin, elegant siya. And, hindi siya matte. Like, glossy siya. Glossy white. As you can see. Tapos, ang linis niyang tingnan. Very handy, very lightweight. Ang ayoko lang sa kanya is, isa lang naman yung pinaka-ayoko sa kanya is, yung init niya pagdating sa level 3. Ayan. So, yun lang naman. So, ikaw, grab it na. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon sa next vlog.